all welcome. Let's talk about this extra battery for this Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus. It is a lithium ion phosphate battery, just like the battery that's in the main unit, and that's a good thing because that means it's safer, it's likely to last twice as long as a regular lithium battery, and it has double the charging cycles, so it's going to last for a long, long time. What I really like about this Jackery setup is that the extra battery can charge on its own with solar panels. Now, the fastest way to charge the extra battery is to connect it to the Jackery 2000 Plus, then just plug the main unit into a regular wall outlet. Now that way, both the main battery and the extra one charge up at the same time, so you're all set if the power goes out. The Jackery battery pack comes with a beefy cable to connect it to the main unit, but you can't mess up the connection because it only goes one way. Now let's see how long this setup can keep my fridge and freezer running. I'm using a transfer switch to isolate the circuits for those appliances, but you don't need to use a transfer switch. You can simply roll this backup power unit into your house and plug in whatever you need to power up. Take a look at the display and you'll see the Jackery Explorer 2000 is currently putting out 263 watts. That's powering my refrigerator, freezer, and a small fan I place behind the freezer. The fan helps extend the life of the compressor by slightly lowering its temperature. Now, if you look at the display, you'll see it shows 13 hours. That's just an estimate of how long the fridge and freezer could run based on the current battery level. But in reality, it's likely to be much longer, and that's because the refrigerator and freezer don't run constantly. They cycle on and off, and when they're off, they're not drawing any power. Now, if it's within your budget, picking up an extra battery or two isn't a bad idea. It can really stretch out the amount of time between charges. Thanks for watching.